Hi students, today we are going to discuss about algebraic expression or nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Let f be the first term, let f be the first term and d be the common difference of an arithmetic sequence. D be the common difference. Let f be the first term and d be the common difference of an arithmetic sequence. Then the sequence can be written as f, f plus d, f plus 2d, f plus 3d, etc. If we denote the terms as x1, x2, etc., xn, we can write x1. x1 is f, x2 is f plus d, x3, the third term x3 is f plus 2d. Continuing like this, x10, the 10th term can be written as f plus 9d. x15, 15th term can be written as f plus 14d. Continuing like this, the nth term, finally nth term or xn can be written as f plus n minus 1 into d. This is the algebraic expression of an arithmetic sequence. Xn is equal to f plus n minus 1 into d. Also it can be written as xn is equal to f plus n into d, dn minus d, or dn plus f minus d, dn plus f minus d. If we denote the common difference as a, common difference, if common difference d is equal to a, then it can be written as xn is equal to an plus b, where b is equal to f minus d, where b is equal to f minus d. This xn is equal to an plus b is the general form or nth term of an arithmetic sequence. We can write the nth term as xn is equal to f plus n minus 1 into d, or xn is equal to an plus b, where b is equal to f minus d and a is the common difference. Now we can solve some problems relating to this. Write the algebraic expression. Write the algebraic expression. Write the algebraic expression of the following questions. Question number 1. Sequence of odd numbers. Question number 1. Sequence of odd numbers. We know that the odd numbers are sequence of odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Here which is the first term? The first term is 1 and the common difference is d equal 3 minus 1 equal 2. Then the algebraic expression xn is equal to f plus n minus 1 into d. Here f is 1, so 1 plus n minus 1 into d, d is 2. That is 1 plus n into 2, 2n minus 2 is equal to 2n, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, that is 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1 is the algebraic expression of sequence of odd numbers. Then another question, question number 2. Sequence of natural numbers. Sequence of natural numbers which leave remainder 1 on division by 3. Question number 2. Sequence of natural numbers which leave remainder 1 on division by 3. Clearly the sequences are, the terms of the sequences are, the first term is same as 1. When 1 is dividing by 3, it leaves the remainder 1. The second term is 4. When 4 is dividing by 3, it leaves the remainder 1. Then the next term, the third term is 7. 7 is dividing by 3. It also leaves the remainder 1. The next term is 10, etc. 1, 4, 7, 10, etc. This is the sequence of numbers which leave remainder 1 on division by 3. Here also the first term f is equal to 1 and the common difference 4 minus second term minus first term is 3. Then the algebraic expression xn is equal to f plus n minus 1 into d is equal to first term 1 n minus 1 into d is 3 is equal to 1 plus n into 3 3n 1 into 3 3 1 plus 3n minus 3 is equal to 3n 1 minus 3 is minus 2 3n minus 2 3n minus 2 is the algebraic expression of sequence of numbers which leave remainder 1 on division by 3. Next question, question number 3. The sequence of natural numbers ending in 1. This is the third question. Question number 3. Sequence of natural numbers ending in 1. Sequence of natural numbers ending in 1. Clearly that sequence is the first term is or first number is 1, same as 1. Then the next term ending in 1, that 2-digit number is 11. Then the next term or the next number ending in 1 is 21 and 31, etc. 1, 11, 21, 31, etc. are the numbers or the natural numbers ending in 1. Here f is equal to 1 and the common difference d is equal to second term minus first term. 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. Then the algebraic expression xn is equal to f plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into 10 is equal to 1 plus n into 10. 10n minus 1 into 10 minus 10 is equal to 10n. 1 minus 10 is minus 9. 10n minus 9 is the algebraic expression of sequence of natural numbers ending in 1. Next question, question number 2. The fifth term of an arithmetic sequence is 38 and ninth term is 66. What is its 25th term? What is its 25th term? In the question, given that the fifth term is 38 and ninth term is 66. Fifth term x5. x5 is 38 and x9 is equal to 66. We want to find its 25th term. For that, first we want to write its first term and the common difference. Here common difference d can be written as term difference by position difference, that is 66 minus 38 divided by 9 minus 5 is equal to 28 by 4 is equal to 7. Common difference is 7. Now we want to find its 25th term, that is x25. x25 is f plus n minus 1 into d. Here we want the first term. For that, in x5, the fifth term x5 is 38. That is we know that x5 is f plus 4d is 38. That is f plus 4 into 7 is equal to 38. That is f plus 28 is equal to 38. That is f is equal to 38 minus 28 is equal to 10. Then we can substitute the value of f here. First term f. X25 is 10 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 7. That is 10 plus n into 7, n minus 7. That is 7n. 10 minus 7 is 3. 7n plus 3. We want to find x25. That is 7 into, but here n is 25. In 7 into 25 plus 3. 175 plus 3 is equal to 178. Here we want to find the 25th term. So n is equal to 25. So 7 into 25 plus 3, that is 75 plus 3 is equal to 178. 25th term is 178. Next question. Question number 6. The eighth term of an arithmetic sequence. The eighth term of an arithmetic sequence is 12, and its 12th term is 8. What is the algebraic expression of this sequence? What is the algebraic expression of this sequence? Here the question is, the eighth term of an arithmetic sequence is 12 and its 12th term is 8. Then what is the algebraic expression of this sequence? Here given that, x8, 8th term x8, x8 is 12 and the 12th term x12 is 8. We want to find the algebraic, we want to write the algebraic expression. For that, first we want to write its common difference and first term. Common difference d equal position difference minus term difference. We already studied about it. That is equal to minus 4 divided by 4 is equal to minus 1. Now we want to find the first term. First term x, given that x8 is 12. That is f plus 7d is 12. That is f plus 7 into d. D is equal to minus 1 is equal to 12. That is f plus negative 7 is 12. That is f is equal to 12 plus 7 is equal to 19. F is 19, d is equal to minus 1. Then the algebraic expression of this sequence, xn is equal to a f plus n minus 1 into d. That is equal to 19 plus n minus 1 into minus 1. That is equal to 19 plus n into minus 1 minus n minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. 19 plus 1 is equal to 20. That is 20 minus n is the algebraic expression of this. Now question number 4 is 101 a term of the arithmetic sequence sequence 13, 24, 35, etc. Is 101 a term of the arithmetic sequence 13, 24, 35, etc. Here our arithmetic sequence is 13, 24, 35, etc. Here we want to check 101 is a term of this sequence. For that, Here what is the first term? The first term is 13 and the common difference is 24 minus 13 is equal to 11. Here first term is 13 and the common difference is 11. Now we want to check 101 is a term of this sequence. For that we consider the nth term or xn is 101. Consider xn is equal to 101. And we know that xn is f plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 101. And f is 13, that is 13 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 11 is equal to 101. That is 13 plus 11n minus 11 is equal to 101. That is 13 minus 11. 13 minus 11 is 2. That is 2 plus 11n is equal to 101. Then 11n is equal to 101 minus 2. That is 11n is equal to 99. That is n is equal to 99 divided by 11 is equal to 9. Here n is equal to 9. That is 9th term of this sequence is 101. Or here n is a natural number. Therefore 101 is a term of the sequence. Here n is a natural number. Therefore 101 is a term of this sequence. 101 is a term of this sequence. Here, if n is not a natural number, that is if n is a decimal number or a fraction, then 101 is not a term of this sequence. Here n is a natural number, so 101 is a term of this sequence. Now, sometimes we want to find the number of terms of an arithmetic sequence. To find the number of terms. Of an arithmetic sequence. For that, we know that xn or the nth term is f plus n minus 1 into d. That is n minus 1 into d is equal to, we can write xn minus f, or n minus 1 equal xn minus f by d, or n equal xn minus f by d plus 1. If we want to find the number of terms of an arithmetic sequence, we can use this formula n equal xn minus f by d plus 1. Write a question. Question number 1 question relating to this. How many 3-digit numbers? How many 3-digit numbers are? How many 3-digit numbers are there which leaves a remainder 3 on division by 7. How many 3-digit number are there which leaves a remainder 3 on division by 7? 3-digit numbers. Clearly we know that the first 3-digit number is 100, and clearly we know that 101 is the first term of this sequence which leave remainder 3 on division by 3, and the second term is 108, and the last 3-digit number is 997. When it is dividing by 7, it leaves the remainder 3. Clearly the sequence is 101, 108, etc. 900, last term is 997. That is, we can write, here we want to find the number of terms of this sequence. Clearly we can find the first term and the last term. First term is 101 and the last term is 997. We want to find the number of terms of this sequence. For that, first we write the last term xn is equal to 997. That is f plus n minus 1, or xn is equal to, we consider the last term xn is 997. We want to find the number of terms, and we know that the number of terms n is equal to xn minus f by d plus 1. That is xn, the last term 997 minus first term is 101 divided by d. Here d is 7 plus 1 is equal to 896 divided by 7 plus 1. That is equal to 128 plus 1 is equal to 129. That is, there are 129 three-digit numbers which leaves remainder 3 when dividing by 7. Today we studied about the algebraic expression of an arithmetic sequence xn is equal to f plus n minus 1 into d, and also when we want to find the number of terms of an arithmetic sequence, we use the formula n equal xn minus f by d plus 1. Let us wind up this session. We will meet in the next class. Okay, bye.